What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm in Erlanger, Kentucky, and I'm at the Railfan Park. Beautiful caboose behind me, Southern 443. Let's see if we can catch a train while we're here. We got a creeper. We're definitely going to get a good look at it. Four units, that's nice. That many units, this could be a long video. Maybe I'll cut it off. See if we get some highlights, some graffiti. Take a look up the tracks. Oh yeah, it goes on for a while. Yeah, gonna be a long one. I'll be back. It's picked up a bit of speed, walked up to the bridge, the overpass. Yeah, pretty cool. Looks like we got the end right here. Yeah, that thing was about 11 minutes long. I'm glad I got a train here in Erlanger, Kentucky, in front of the Southern Caboose. Now move on down the road. Fantastic. That was alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. I know I probably recorded the whole thing. You wouldn't have liked it. But there you go. Erlanger, Kentucky at the Railfan Park. Till next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Pappy out.